Good afternoon, guys. I'm back with something slightly different. This is a first. I'm going to put it into a playlist so that they're always going to be easy to find. But this is the first instalment of a Subbie Sunday series that I'm going to do. At the moment, it's going to be once a month and at the end of the month, because that then gives me the full month to watch videos and pick up things, maybe share ideas that they've shared with you guys. Anyway, this is kind of a piggyback off of Tracie Fox's event last month. In May, she did an event where, was it May? Yeah, May. It wasn't this month, it was last month. She did an event in her Foxy Crafters group where everybody had to go and try and find new YouTubers with channels under 100 subscribers. And it was to help everybody, basically, just get seen and everything. And through that, we reached 200 subbies and some. Excuse me. I wasn't under 100, we were over, actually. But because I'd been and found these newbies and subscribed, obviously they returned the favour, so you know, it worked both ways and I am immensely grateful for that, so thank you guys. And this is kind of my way of paying back some of that support. So anyway, plus I'm running out of content, to be honest, guys. This is just kind of quick and easy for me to do, but like I said, it's going to be once a month at the end of the month. My own mind, I have been doing tutorial Thursdays on the first Thursday of every month, but that's just going to be a random Thursday in every month now. It's still going to be once a month, but a random Thursday, because I can't always do it at the first Thursday of every month. But there will still be one a month, so don't worry about that. But this is a new one. This is a new series I'm going to do called Subbie Sunday. So look, go to the playlist and look for Subbie Sunday playlist and you'll find them all in there. And seeing as how today's the 30th of June, the last day of the month, and it's on a Sunday, what perfect day to start it on. So there you go. Now this isn't necessarily, it's going to be YouTube related, and it's not necessarily going to be related to people who are subscribed to our channel. It could just be people I've found and I'm subscribed to them and I think you should go and check them out. But I will, where I can, try and link back to people who are subscribed to us too. But anyway, I love the fact I've got a new phone to film on so I can actually use my phone. But yeah, so this month we are going to be checking out, or I'm going to recommend you go and check out, Sharon. Now, I'm probably going to pronounce your last name wrong. I would say that as Sharon Tilyard. Whether that's right or not, I don't know, and I apologise if it's not. Sharon's Australian, so her accent is awesome. I love listening to her. I really, really do. And I know that Sharon is actually one of our subscribers here on the channel, so awesome. But yeah, so I actually watched... Oh, click over onto the video section. I actually watched... Where is it? Oh, yeah, it's quite a way back, actually. Is it? No, it's not. It's up here. Sorry, guys, just bear with me a second. Oh, no, it is a way back. I've already watched. I'm lost. Just let me scroll back and find it. There. This one. The Organise With Me creating... What are we on? Ooh, my internet's a bit slow today. There we go. Creating a storage system for my laces, which is awesome. I did a version of this, but not Sharon's version. But I'd actually watched this first, and what she's doing in this video is basically taking a cereal box, as you can see. He's taking a cereal box and then using her envelope punch board to make There you go. She's used her envelope punch board to punch out these little corner bits, and then she's using her scalpel, cutter, whichever, I think it's a scalpel, I'm not sure. But then she's using it to cut out, as you can see, I hope you can anyway, to create like the little cardboard things that you wrap your lace around, which is awesome. But anyway, like I said, I watched that video. That was the first video I watched of Sharon's, and then it was like, oh right, well she's not done very before that, because I'd done it pretty much as she'd posted it. I watched it pretty much as she'd posted it. Now before that there wasn't very many other videos, so I thought, right, well I'm going to go back to the beginning and I'm going to watch all the videos from the beginning. So I did. So I went right the way back, and that's what I've been doing. So there's the video there, the very first one of Sharon's videos I watched a month ago. So then after watching that, I went right back to the very beginning of her channel, which is here, and I've been watching her videos from the beginning, so first video right up through to the most recent. And there's loads, and oh my gosh guys, some of the things that she does is awesome, and tips and tricks and stuff like that. I apologise that this is a bit dark filming wise, but I had to do it like that to stop the strobing on the phone, just in case someone picks up on that, sorry. Also it's a bit dull here today. But yeah, some of the things she does is really, really cool. That was a good one as well, actually, the tea dyeing one, by putting your tea into little spray bottles and adding a bit of food colouring in with them. In fact, I should have brought it up with me. I wasn't prepared to be doing this video upstairs. I was going to do it downstairs. I tried that, and I've actually got quite a good array of different coloured papers because of doing that. I was going to show them off and doing this video, and I forgot. Like I said, I've had to come upstairs because Taylor's downstairs and I don't want to disturb him. But yeah, so that's a really good video to watch, guys. I didn't do it the way Sharon does it though, because she was spraying and then using a heat gun to dry it and then spraying a bit more. I just sprayed like crazy and then stuck them outside on washing line to dry. But it still worked. Really cool. Really, really cool. There are some awesome tutorials, like I said. Very original ones too. Obviously, like a lot of us, she's doing other people's tutorials as well. That's a really cool one as well. The Let's Try Making Loopy Flowers. That is a really good one. I recommend you watch that one. I'm actually going to give that one a try. All you need is a little piece of corrugated cardboard and some toothpicks, and obviously some yarn or twine or whatever you want to use. Really cool video, that. Obviously then you've got the lace storage system one. And then there's quite a lot of different ones besides. I am currently up at... That were a good one to watch as well, where she repurposes an old unit. That were a really good one to watch. I really enjoyed that one. I am now at this one, the rice paper one. I know it's showing I've watched some of them, which I have, or it's when I've fallen asleep at night time and my phone's automatically gone on to the next one. She's got a really cool voice, and she's so lovely, softly spoken too, so when I'm watching it now, and I have a habit of doing that anyway, I usually fall asleep watching Gayle's videos. But yeah, so she's very, very soothing, calming voice, and I fall asleep. You're not boring at all, Sharon. I'm not trying to say that. It's just your voice is so soothing. It's like a lullaby listening to you. But yeah, so I'm currently up to the rice paper one, although I haven't skipped ahead, but I have over different periods of time obviously clicked on other ones as they've come up, and I watched that and then thought, oh, it's Sharon, so I've turned it off and thought, no, I'll wait and I'll catch up. I'm nearly there. But she also, if you go to the playlist section, she also has things in playlists so that they're very easy to find, which is really cool. And then she has a playlist here called Things to Try, which aren't Sharon's videos. They are just obviously videos that she's put in a Things to Try folder, which is really cool. So yeah, I like Kerr. Kerr is a really good one to tutorials wise. I've done a few of G's tutorials. But yeah, so I haven't been going through it playlists. I've just gone to videos, scrolled right back to the beginning, and I've been catching up from there. So yeah, but guys, she's currently on 198 subbies. So come on, guys, we only need 2 more people. Let's get her to 200. Yeah, I will link Sharon's links, links actually. I will link her YouTube channel below, also her Facebook page as well, and Instagram. Yeah, she's definitely on Instagram. So I will link her YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram pages below. Links below. I'm not sure if she's on Etsy yet. I'll have a look, and if she is, I'll link that too. But I know she's on them 3 social medias, so I will link to them below. So pop over, guys, and definitely give her a look, give her a thumbs up, and have a look, give her a watch. But yes, so for my first in the series of Subbie Sunday, my subbie of choice is Sharon. I actually gave a little shout out to Sharon the other day when I did the update stroke partial new craft room tour, because I was watching her on the PC, which is where I tend to watch her most times. I don't fall asleep. There's less chances of me falling asleep if I watch her on the PC than there is when I'm in bed. Although I do sneak up here sometimes and stick her on the big TV, so I cast from my phone to the TV. So, but anyway, yeah, it's awesome. She's brilliant. I really love watching your videos, Sharon, and I'm catching up slowly. So, yay! I can't wait to be caught up, actually, and then when I've caught up, I can just go, oh, Sharon's posted, and go and watch, and then, oh my gosh, I need to catch up with so many more, because I've been watching Sharon's videos all month, literally all month, as and when I've had chance. I haven't watched anybody else's videos since, maybe just 1 or 2 in between, so I'm way behind on some others, but I don't mind. I really don't mind, because, like I said, this month's focus for me is all about Sharon. So Subbie Sunday for 30th of June 2019 is Sharon Tilyard. Sorry if I said that wrong. On YouTube. Go and check her out, guys. Seriously, go and check her out. Links below. But yeah, she's got some awesome tutorials. And oh my gosh, I have to say it, Sharon, I absolutely adore your obsession for paper clips. Oh, you've had me in stitches many a times when you've reached for the paper clips, but it's a really, really cool idea. I'd never thought it was one of them light bulb moments when I saw you pinning the paper clipping the laces to the pages, and you were like, when you were saying I do that and then I can get a feeling, I was like, oh, why did I never think of doing that? Because there are so many times I have glued laces or sewn laces to the edge of pages, put the signatures back in the book, and then gone, I don't like it. But yeah, oh, perfect, just perfect. But paper clips galore, guys. It's so funny. She literally paper clips everything before I think she inks first. She loves inking, and I love that. I do not get all these people that go, oh, will you stop inking on film? I don't like it. It's part of the process. But I think it's me. I think I don't know what it is, but I really like the noise it makes when you're inking when you're on the corners, and it makes that grating. I don't know what the noise is, but when you guys all know, you inkers all know, when you're inking around the edges and it makes that noise. I really like it. But I love watching people ink, whether everybody inks the same or differently, and everybody has different ways of inking, believe it or not. You might get the same results, but different ways. But I just love how inking can instantly transform something. I actually commented on one of Sharon's videos yesterday, which I have been commenting on quite a lot of them as I've been going through them. She was doing a collage. She was actually collaging book pages. Where are we? Where am I up to? It was that one, the triple pockets. No, it wasn't. Where am I up to? Yeah, it was the triple pockets, not the journaling card. The triple pockets one. Actually, I'll just flick on and see. Let's flick over to the end. I hope you don't mind me doing this, Sharon. I would imagine not, because I'm plugging you anyway, but yeah, there, look, see, she's made triple pockets from book pages, and then she's collaging onto them And like I said yesterday in my comment to her, it never ever ceases to, I don't think it's going to focus, guys. Oh yeah, not bad. It never ever ceases to amaze me how using pieces of paper to glue onto pieces of paper can transform things so miraculously. It's just amazing how just a bit of paper, some glue and some other paper can just make something so beautiful. The paper that she's using helps as well. But yeah, it's just awesome. I love it. This craft just never ceases to amaze me, how you can make such wonderful things out of just a bit of paper and some glue and imagination, or other people's imagination when you pinch their tutorial ideas. But yeah, so just awesome. I really don't know where I was going with this, to be honest, guys. Hopefully over time I will get better at it. But for the first one, yes. Here you go. Like I said, my first Subbie Sunday person of choice is Sharon. So please, guys, get down below and click on those links and go and check her out. And let's get her to 200 subbies. She only needs 2. Just 2 people, be generous and click on subscribe and get it to 200. Anyway, I'll love you and leave you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hopefully will get better at it. And huge thumbs up to you, Sharon, for doing an awesome job. I know how nerve-wracking it can be to be a newbie on YouTube. But yeah, keep up the great work, because seriously, girl, you're doing awesome. You're doing awesome. I love it. And I literally can't wait to get to the next episode. Every time I've finished, I'm like, oh, I can't wait to watch the next video. So yeah, just awesome. Anyway, go and check her out, guys. And I will see you again soon. Thanks for watching.